students, I hope you are well. Welcome to Mirpur Language Institute, and today you are listening to our spoken English classes. And today is our third class, and our today's topic is about important words and phrases used in daily life. Now let's start the lesson. Today we will learn about phrases. What is phrase? Phrase is called some small group of words which is actually communicates a concept. It is not a full sentence, but it has some meaningful grammatical unit. There are 5 types of phrases, which is noun phrase, adjective phrase, verb phrase, adverbial phrase, and prepositional phrase. Now let's learn about some common phrases that we use in our daily life. Like, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Excuse me. I'm sorry. What do you think? How does that sound? That sounds great. Oh, never mind. So this type of phrases we always use when we are speaking with someone, greeting someone, or talking with someone. In our workplace, we use some common phrases like saying, how can I help you? When you are going to help somebody. Or saying, I will be with you in a moment when you are busy. Or saying, what time is our meeting when asking someone. And also saying, please call me back at when you are giving someone some special time. Or, oh really, actually I thought, when you are actually expressing your thought. Or saying, when is the deadline? And I am just about to leave, or I am just about to do some work. So this type of sentence we always use in our daily life in workplace. We also use some common phrase when shopping, like can you help me? Or I am looking for. Here you can include some special things. Or saying, do you have this object in a different color? Or saying, I do not know my size. Or saying, I need this in a size of. What is your size? You can include it here. Or saying, where can I find it? Or including like, how much does this or that cost? Or saying, I do not need a bag. So these are some common phrases that we use when we are shopping. So thank you for listening. I hope you will practice these common phrases in our daily life when you are speaking English. Follow and subscribe our YouTube channel and click out the bell icon to get more notifications about this and other MLI classes. Thank you.